Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority quietly announced Thursday afternoon that the annual tradition of a New Year's Eve fireworks display on the Strip has become the latest casualty of the COVID-19 pandemic. In January, more than 80,000 fireworks illuminated the Strip skyline to usher in 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Las Vegas Strip fireworks where Las Vegas will launch a themed, coordinated fireworks show from the rooftops of these hotel casinos: Aria Resort and Casino, Caesars Palace Las Vegas, Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino.
Take our lead.
Las Vegas, KSNV. The Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority announced an epic 4th of July fireworks celebration to declare the entertainment capital of the world is back. This marks the first time the LVCVA will present a fireworks show on Independence Day.
Take our lead.
The fireworks show will kick off when 8 News Now weather anchor Ted Florendo launches the first fireworks at the stroke of midnight. That's just one of the highlights in the 3.5-hour Las Vegas New Year's Eve countdown to 2021 special that begins at 8:58 p.m.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.